Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted files without any software here in Windows 10. Well, actually, Microsoft has released a tool called Windows File Recovery. It is basically a command line window by which you can basically recover your files. So it is very good and it is kind of awesome compared to the other recovery software I have used before. So I have written a complete guide of it here inside intozoom.com. You can visit here, but everything here is too much detailed. So I would suggest if you are really interested in everything in full detail, you have to visit this post here inside intozoom.com. So before any further delay, let's dig in and start how you can recover your deleted files from in Windows 10. So basically, you have to download the Windows file recovery from the Microsoft Store. Just search it, and when it comes, just simply launch it. The very second thing is you have to attach a USB flash drive to your computer. So for now, you can have a look here. It is a USB. I have an SD card I have already attached here to the computer. And if I have, the very first thing is I want to check the file system. So to check the file system, just right click on the drive and choose properties. Now from there, you can have a look here that the file system will be written FAT32. Now there are an options. Later I will tell you why I'm showing the file system. So the same thing goes for if you are deleted your files. If your files have been deleted from any drive of a computer, it is not located inside any SD card, you can just simply also check the file system. It is basically also NTFS. So without any delay, let's just go ahead launch. So you have to download this one. Then once you download it, search for Windows file recovery on the start menu and then choose open. It will prompt that you have to allow the Windows file recovery as administrator. So you can have a look here that let me have to make it a little bit bigger so you guys could see. How about 24? Yes. Let me I have also to hide the background stuff, so you should not be bothered. So you can have a look here. uh, it is basically the source command of how this command can be used to recover the files from any of the stuffs. So you can have a look here. The very first thing is you have to type Windows file recovery, simple words, WinFR, and then you have to mention the source drive, and then you have to mention the destination location, and you have to insert a switch. Now basically, what is a switch? Well, here these are called the switches. So what do I mean by them? So you can have a look here. Here are three options in R, in X. So R is basically it is only used for NTFS drives only. As I told you before that you before getting with the Windows file recovery, you have to check the file system. So or can only be used with NTFS only. You can see that recovery using file record segments. And now the second thing is /X. It is basically a signature mode. A signature mode, it can only be used to recover files from the FAT32 FAT system. In simple words, I can tell you that you can use it to restore or recover deleted files from SD card. Basically, those SD cards which you are using on your smartphone devices, their partition is the FAT32. As I showed you before, that was an SD card. So the other one is not basically mentioned here, but that is called the default option, which is whenever you are trying to use them, they will come for you. So I have written all the options here. You can have a look here. There are three options: default, segment, and signature. As I said, segment is for NTFS, signature is basically for the SD card and other stuff. So you can see every bit of stuff I have written here. They will be supported with this small piece of code. So here are the advanced usage of this code, but I am going to use the very basic stuff of how you can recover them with just simply stuff for beginners, not for the users. So to do that one, as I said before, you have to type WinFR. It means Windows Recovery. You have to mention the source drive. So the source drive is this one, drive E. So I'm going to type down here E and colon, and then the destination folder. I'm going to save it inside. How about here? Create a new folder, the new folder 5. So I'm going to hold shift on the keyboard and right click and copy the path, copy as a path. Now I'm going to paste the location here. Now this one is the source location and this one is the destination location that it has to save the file. Now the very second thing is, as I said before, you have to check the file system. It is the SD card. It is basically a FAT32. So in that case I am going to use /x, this one. Now press enter on the keyboard. Okay, now you can have a look here. It is saying that do you want to continue? Just simply type Y. And now it is scanning the drive. After scanning, it is going to recover those files. So before going further, you can have a look here. It is written a filter section, multiply. In other words, store. It is basically a method that whenever you are suppose only a document from your computer has been deleted mistakenly, accidentally, you can just simply mention this one. Here I have written the course here. Let me show you how you can do them. If you are just simply searching for a document, see, uh, if whenever you are trying to search only for documents that have been deleted, you can simply type win fr and then drive C is the location from the location that was deleted, and I want to save it inside a new drive. And then /n is filtering the search, and then the filter will be document.x. It will basically search for the document files with Word document files. You can see I have already performed the command here, and um, I don't know where is the result. So you can have a look at here is the .cox. So it is processing. Oh, the files have been recovered. And also whenever if you are trying to search or recover only the files that contains the name of project, suppose project 1, project 2, or project Tesla, project Delta, whatever the name, you are sure that my project contains the word project itself. You can search with this one, win fr, and then you have to mention the location and then the destination, and then you have to type this section. Now they are going to recover them for you. And also if a document, suppose an Excel file or a PowerPoint file, all the three of them have been deleted from your system, you can search for multiple of them at once. See, you can have a look here. It is for the document, I mean Word documents. It is for Excel, and then this one is for PowerPoint. So you can simply search for multiple of the files at once. So when also you are sure that the file which has been deleted from your computer, that is called important document.pdf, you are sure that it is the name of the file, you can simply search for that file. You can see here is the command, and then you have to filter this one and mention the location, and then in the end type the name of the document. Then press enter on the keyboard. Press enter on the keyboard is going to recover the file for you. And also you can do the same thing with the mp3 files with other stuff. So you can see these are basically the files that the format that the Windows file recovery can support and can recover them for you. Also uh, the good thing is that compared to the most of the file recovery systems softwares like Recuva, Diskdrill, and many others, I think this one is far more better and cheap, and it is faster compared to them also. So there is also another option that the the files which were recovered by the of Windows file recovery, they won't contain much damaged file, especially with the video. I have experienced multiple of them. Unfortunately, most of them were corrupted. The videos can't be played. So I recovered my USB flash drive with this one. The videos were from 100, almost 20 videos were recovered perfectly. Others was corrupt. As I said, it is better compared to them. And also one more thing, if you are there is also, so let me see where it is written. Okay, it is 0.3%. So basically, there is also another thing. If you are looking for more features, for more guidance, for more commands, for more basically tips if of the Windows file recovery, you can just simply type the command winfr slash question mark. It will bring the help desk. Or if you are looking for the advanced features, you can just simply type winfr slash exclamation mark. Now the result for now, it has been continued. If I have to cancel, uh, unfortunately it won't work. So I have already copied the result here. You can have a look here. See, winfr slash question mark. Here are the usage. It is saying that how you can use the Windows file recovery, what is R, what is X, and how you can use the other stuff. And also they have provided an example for you. Here you can see Windows file recovery, and then the location, the destination, and then they have also filtered the name of the username, whatever. So you can also, according to them, you can visit this article also. Just simply search it on Google and it will come here. Everything they have listed are there. One more thing, for more support, you can also email them. In any case, if they respond, then best of luck. That's a very good thing. I don't think they will ever respond. So you can see everything has been also been mentioned here with full detail of how you can use them. So here is also the advanced feature. You can see slash backward slash exclamation mark, and here are the result. You can see a UK, whatever they are doing, you can just simply read the documentation and the result will come for you. So this is how you can basically use the Windows file recovery system to recover deleted files. So the more storage sorry I mean, if your storage has a large amount of storage, a large portion of files have been deleted from your system, then it is going to basically take a very long time, as it is taking with mine. So I hope that this video will help you. So basically I have provided everything here. I have performed. The screenshots are here, you can have a look here. Basically I have performed it. So I hope that you will use it also on your computer. In any case, if you have any problem, let me know in the comment section. Also, do not forget to subscribe, share this video with your colleagues and friends. So till next time, have a nice time and goodbye.